चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. Let's make motivational posters today to keep us motivated during our exam time. Take watercolor, drawing or ivory sheets and write your favorite motivational quotes on it. For my first poster, I am using transparent sheet. Now spread color of your choice. You can use any color like poster colors, acrylic colors or good quality watercolors. Spread the colors randomly on the transparent sheet like I am doing in the video. Now put your sheet on the transparent sheet. Press it and spread the color properly. Your sheet is ready. Now just use black acrylic color or black marker to write your quotes on it. I am using black acrylic paint with a thin brush. Be careful while using the paint. My first quote is ready. My poster says, "Do small things with great love." Always do things with great love towards it, no matter how big or small it is. Isn't it cute? For this second poster, I am drawing big random splashes of colors and some triangles also. Use light colors for beautiful effect. Now I am painting random color lines to give it an abstract look. Use different shapes, colors as per your own desire. So this poster says, believe, achieve, succeed. You have to believe in yourself if you want something. Work hard toward your goals to achieve them, and you will definitely succeed if you will do hard work. I am really liking the overall look of this poster. Please comment if you like the poster. For my third poster, I have used a watercolor sheet. I am just spreading the colors randomly. You can take as many colors as you want. I am a colorful person, so I am using many colors. Use a flat brush for this poster. My coloring is done and my sheet is dry. So now it's time to write my motivational quote. And this quote is, never give up because great things take time. So friends, never give up on your dreams and desires. Work hard toward your goals. You will definitely achieve success. So I am done with this poster also. For my next motivational quote, I am using normal drawing sheet and I am just drawing horizontal lines, leaving my quote. Now I am using different colors for my quote. Using different colors for your posters will not only make it beautiful but will cheer you up whenever you will see it. So this quote says, be proud of who you are. Never compare yourself with others. Every person is unique. So be proud of who you are and always try to be the best version of yourself. I am really liking the overall look of this poster. Please comment which poster do you like the most. My next poster is also very special. I am using ivory sheet for it, and I am also using brush pens, sketch pens and markers for it. I am outlining everything with black permanent marker and coloring them afterwards. You can do whichever way suits you. Draw a little rainbow for all your happy days. My quote says, follow your dream. It was my dream to be a YouTuber. I used to act in front of a mirror as a YouTuber. I worked really hard for my channel and followed my dream with full hard work and dedication. And here I am in front of you as a young YouTuber. Thanks all for your immense support. Draw random dots and stars to finish up this poster. All my posters are ready and they are already looking very nice. Please comment which poster is your favorite. I have decorated my door pin boards with all my motivational posters to keep me motivated throughout the year. तो ये था आज का DIY ज्ञान। न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय।